bright kids and bright parents. So today is Monday. That means it's another episode of English reading session here on Bright Minds PH. As usual, I'm your Ate Sila, and today we'll read part 2 of our story, Beach Day. So without further introduction, let's start reading.
All right, so before we start to read our story, let's check out these vocabulary words that will help us to better understand our story. And our first word is banquet.
Banquet.
It means a fancy, formal dinner. For example, they had a banquet to celebrate her graduation. So again, our word is banquet. For our second word, it is moat.
Moat.
It means a deep ditch dug around a castle, fort, or town. For example, the castle moat was filled with muddy water. So again, our word is moat. Now for our third word, it is supper.
Supper.
It is an evening meal. For example, his supper had turned cold. So again, our word is supper. Okay, so let's start reading the part 2 of our story, Beach Day. Chicken legs, deviled eggs, what a banquet, seagull bags. Waves lapping, babies napping, on the water, sails are snapping. Launch a boat, help father float, build a castle with a moat. A freckled nose, sandy toes, ocean's salty, sea breeze blows. Time to pack, picnic sack, bright beach towels in a stack. Late afternoon, supper soon, families march across the dune. Sun, warm skin, contented grin. What a happy day it's been. All right, so that's it for our short story, Beach Day. Now it's time for us to answer some questions. Okay? All right. Now, the first question is, what does moat mean? Is it letter A fancy formal dinner? B, a deep ditch dug around a castle, fort, or town? C, an evening meal? Or letter D, to make a loud rattling noise? For this first question, the correct answer is letter B, a deep ditch dug around a castle, fort, or town. Okay, now our second question is, father needs help to letter A, float, letter B, swim, letter C, eat, or letter D, sleep. For this question, the correct answer is letter A. Father needs help to float. All right, now here's our third and last question. Did the families have a good day on the beach? Letter A, no. The families did not enjoy the beach. Letter B, yes. The families had a happy day on the beach. Letter C, maybe the families had a good day. Or letter D, We don't know if the families enjoyed the beach. The correct answer for this last question is letter B. Yes, the families had a happy day on the beach.
Great job! You beat the level!
All right, so another English reading session here on Bright Minds PH is over. So that was quick, that was fun, and we really hope that you enjoyed it and you learned a lot. So if you like this video, make sure to like and share this to your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are always updated to our new videos here on our channel. So again, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. Thank you for joining me today. And I'm your Ate Sila. Of course, see you again next time. So, bye for now.